IELTS Speaking Test Part 2. Let's learn Phraseology to 3 with Binid. Topic card.
Describe a time you visited a friend's home for a special reason. You should say when you went, who you visited, what you did there, and explain why you visited your friend's home. Tip: use the 1-minute preparation time to make notes about what you will say about all the points given. Frizzle's house. Last Saturday evening, my best friend met at school, often do things together, go out, my place, his place, prepared dinner, tittied up, had dinner, tea, music, chatting, normally see Frizzle at weekends, invited for dinner with college friends. When you went, I went to my friend Frizzle's house last Saturday evening. As he lives quite near me, it only took me about 10 minutes to get there, and I stayed for several hours because he'd invited several of our other friends round for the evening. Who you visited? Well, Frizzle is really my best friend, I'd say, and I've known him for several years. We first met at school when we were about 16. He's a really great guy and we spend a lot of our free time together. We sometimes go out to different places together, but also he often comes round to my place or I go to his house. What you did there? After dinner we all sat around drinking tea, listening to music, and chatting about various things. Yes, I remember we were talking about the exam because several of us are taking it around the same time. When I got there, Frizzle was getting ready and he prepared a whole lot of food for everybody. Because he was busy with that, I helped out by tidying up in the living room. Why you visited? Well, the main reason I went to Frizzle's house was that he'd organized a dinner for all of us, me and several of our classmates at college. I'd say it was really a social occasion, a chance to relax, eat together and just have fun chatting.